This place is very special to me from the minute I walked in. The first thing I noticed, number one, was how professional everybody was and how accommodating everybody was. Everything was, how can we make this better? How can we make you better? How can we make you happy? When I look for something, those are the qualities that are intangible. The second thing that really drew me here was the sense of teamwork and community, where everybody kind of helps each other out, where it's not, I'm a doctor, I'm too good to help out and put a cast on somebody. No, if the nurses are busy, we jump in there, we help each other out, and I think that's important to keep the, kind of teamwork-oriented mentality. One of the most important things, I think, is that we have comprehensive care. So this patient comes and sees me for their ankle and they may be having some low back pain, so we can refer that out. Or they may have been in a trauma where they have multiple injuries, so they can keep it within one practice where they not only get a specialist for, say, their shoulder, but also for their knee. I think that's extremely important. It has consistency of care. We can bounce ideas off one another, which is also important for the patient, because not everything is, standard textbook, what we see in training. Sometimes we see these unusual situations. So especially for me, it's important that I have more experienced physicians that I can bounce ideas off of, say, what do you think about this? How would you treat it? And I don't know that somebody, visiting a solo practitioner would have that advantage. Anybody that wants to get in, they're more than welcome to call us, and I know that our schedulers are pretty darn good about making sure we get them in with the right people. What do they have to do to get there? Do they need a referral from primary care? That sort of thing, but we will definitely lead them down the right road so we can get them in, see them, and get them better. Another good thing is access. We are a very well-oiled machine in terms of scheduling, organization, that sort of thing. I know myself personally, and I know a lot of the other docs feel this way, I tend to not turn anybody away, so even if you come in the day of, I'll try to squeeze you in however I can. You may have to wait a couple extra minutes, but the sooner we get to you, the better, and that's big for me because I know what it's like to be in pain and have an injury, and the faster we get on it, the faster we get you back to your life, the better I do my job.